Hey everyone, Gil or graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about water inspection. And somebody going, water inspection? Well, actually, water storage inspection. We're coming out of winter now, and some of you have jugs and totes and everything else of water stored in the garage or out in buildings and stuff. And from the cold weather this winter, you may want to go out there and inspect them to make sure none of them are leaking. That could cause other problems for other things you have stored. So get out there, wherever it's at, check your water containers, make sure none of them are leaking. Even if they're stored in the house and they didn't freeze, check to make sure none of them have developed leaks. All right? And once you've done that, try adding some more water to your storage as well. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. More water, food, clothing, medicine. Learn a new skill, and try to grow something indoors year-round this year.